I'm Jo O'Sullivan and I'm a divorce solicitor and mediator, but I work in a little bit of a different way. So, my clients, one way or another, talk to each other to sort things out, and I facilitate that. I don't go to court, I don't issue proceedings. Going to court, of course, has its uses. Those who really need the protection of the court. So those who are in abusive relationships, coercive control, you need a solicitor then. You need that kind of lawyer, you need the judge to sort things out for you. You need protection, or your assets need protection. But the other half of clients just don't need that. What they need is someone sensible to guide them in the right direction, using the tools at their disposal to really listen to what the client wants and needs. I do that. So the atmosphere I try and create for clients is one of curiosity. So because I use the workbooks, Our Family in Two Homes, they will have done some work before they come and see me. That work is vital because that work sets them up for our work together. They know what they want and need. They know more about their partnership, what their relationship was like. I can effectively work out whether or not they've been a victim of domestic abuse, and I can guide them on what the next steps could be for them. Well, the financial implications for clients are that it's much cheaper. I would say significantly cheaper. I think the average case in the South East is costing £70,000 at court, whereas I've just had a client who had many millions and it's only cost him about £10,000. I think clients who work in the way that I do probably have the best experience it's possible to have. It's still really difficult for them, don't get me wrong, it's overwhelming, but gently we get them where they need to go and they're not so emotionally damaged at the end of the process. Once they've made the big decisions, they very, very quickly get on with their lives. If we were to design a system to help people with the legal consequences of their breakup and divorce, I do not think we would do what we're doing now. I do not think we would have an adversarial court system. I think we would have a more curious system. It would be more inquisitorial. It would be, oh, what's happening for this family? How can we best divert them away from the court? How can we help them? How can they help themselves? That's what we'd do. We wouldn't go to court.